the Middle Egyptians and the Northern Egyptians in the New Kingdom, right? There's a reason why it's called the New. May not have been black. So, to a certain degree, I may have been wrong about the race of the ancient Egyptians, and we still don't know about southern Egypt. One thing I'm kind of curious about is why they chose to take their sample from Middle Egypt. They didn't really cover that in the article. To me, that seems like there could be possible bias. It could be deliberate to misrepresent the race of the ancient Egyptians. This study did take place in Germany, the Max Planck Institute, and they call it the first reliable set. And they say that modern Egyptians have more in common with sub-Saharan Africans than ancient Egyptians from Middle Egypt. And he theorizes that northern Egypt had a similar genetic makeup to that of Middle Egypt. Now remember, it was southern Egypt or Upper Egypt that united the lands from Nekhen. And the New Kingdom began with Amosi I and ended with Ramses XI. So as you start painting the picture in your mind of what happened, I still believe that southern Egypt was black and is responsible for much of the culture, if not the majority of the culture of Egypt. And the pyramids, and at one point the capital was moved to the north as a way to fortify the land and make it harder to invade from the water. So yes, if I am wrong and these people are proven right in the future, then I apologize. But to me, the evidence still highly suggests that ancient Egyptians, especially pre-dynastic Egyptians and first dynasty, and Old Kingdom Egyptians, were a black culture dominated by blacks. And over the years, other peoples came in. And also, it's important to note that Egypt was invaded by Persians and other empires. And who knows how that contributed to the genetic makeup. However, it does not seem to contradict the findings of the scientists in the article. So I just wanted to give you this update. Ultimately, I'm black and white, I'm not racist. I just deal with the facts. And I think Egypt was a great empire in many ways, regardless what race they are. And, I have no problem with these findings. Before this, I read an article that showed that King Tut's DNA had migrated from the Middle East into, the R1B guys, into Europe. I'll leave it there.